Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video each time I upload. It's too bright for my eyes, but I have to take off the sunglasses for you guys because I don't want to come across rude. If you're new here, hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Che. I'm a Nigerian living in the UK and I create videos around DIYs, health and lifestyle. Please, if you like what you see, kindly click on that red button that says subscribe and click on the notification bell next to it so you can be notified each time I upload a new video. That would mean so much to me, so why not subscribe to my channel? I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are keeping safe. I can't believe it's another Christmas, and Christmas is my favorite season of the year. I love decorating Christmas trees. I love setting up my dinner table. I just love Christmas. So guys, as you may know, there is a second lockdown in England, so shopping for Christmas decorations hasn't been that fun for me because I love going from place to place before I can actually decide what I'm going to buy. But I've been doing most of it online, so I found out that the range is still open and I normally buy my Christmas stuff from them, some of it. So I've decided to, go there and see what they've got and just, kind of just get that spirit of Christmas rolling because, Christmas is my favorite season and I love shopping for Christmas. So that's where I am now. I've dropped the children. It's currently about 9:30 in the morning and I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. So please don't go anywhere. Stick with me, stick with me, stick with me. And you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel please and leave me a nice comment in the comment section below, and also like the video and share with your friends and your family as well. Help my ministry, okay? So guys, let's just get going, okay? Because I love shopping and I love Christmas, so I'm just so happy and I'm excited. So guys, I've got my face mask on and I'm going to go in there now. The range is over there. So guys, I'm looking for a candle holder, but I'm not sure if I've seen what I'm looking for. I like this one, but I'm still gonna look around and see if I'll find a better one because I have this picture in my head, so I'll just keep looking for what I have in my head and see if I'll find it. But I'll take this one now and then I'll keep looking. Still looking for haven't actually seen what I want.
Step announcement, all till train staff tills please, that's all till train staff tills, customers wait, thank you.
I think I'll stick to what I've got now. I think I'll stick to the one that I picked earlier on, so haven't seen what I'm looking for. And then the next thing on my list is candle. I love this red one. That's the candle holder that I picked before, and this is the candle, so that's that one done. So guys, we are here in home decor section. Oh, this is pretty. This would be very beautiful, very nice for a centerpiece for dinner table decoration, I think. Let me just show you guys. This is beautiful. Guys, I'm still in the home decor section. I'm looking for a centerpiece for my dining, but I can't see what I'm looking for. I don't know, you know when you have this image in your head, so I'm trying to see if I'll find something close to the image I have in my head.
Supervisor or manager's customer services, please. That's supervisor or manager's customer services. Customer waiting, thank you.
I can't find what I'm looking for still, but I'll keep looking. That one there, I'm not sure. So guys, here so guys, I broke a glass from my glass set, and I'm looking to see if I'll find an individual glass that will match my set, so I can mix match, even if it's not exactly, but something close to my set. But I can't see anything close to it at all, not at all. So guys, this is Christmas tree decoration. I don't need Christmas tree though, but just to show you guys what everywhere is looking like. Hi Santa. So, so guys, I'm back home. Let me quickly show you the things that I bought. I didn't actually buy much, just mostly candle holder. I bought 3 robins for my Christmas tree. That's basically it. So thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Until I come your way again, stay safe, stay loved. Bye.